How to fix mouse delay on Roblox. First things first is head over directly to the Windows icon right here and just simply type in Device Manager. And then in here, just head down and locate mice and other pointing devices. So as you can see, there are two options that I can choose because I'm currently using a laptop with an external mouse. So what you need to do is just choose on HID compliant mouse and then go to driver. Now select update driver. Now search automatically for drivers and then just head on to close. Now next thing to do is just to access your mouse settings. Use again your Windows icon, search for mouse settings, and then in here go to related settings at the right portion and then click additional mouse options. Now head down to buttons and then on the speed type, just simply change it into fast, which is going to take effect on how you double click on any part or portion of your screen. Now hit on apply and try to relaunch your Roblox game to see if your mouse is already fixed. So that's how you fix mouse delay in Roblox.